Yo, what's up everyone? It's Krish here, and today we're talking about AI, not just how it's changing the world, but how can you use it to make some serious cash. From analyzing data like a pro, to automating your workflow, and even predicting the future, well, sort of, we've got you covered. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock the money-making potential of AI together. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of any successful AI strategy: data analysis. Think of data as a goldmine, and AI is your trusty pickaxe. With the right AI tools, you can sift through mountains of data in seconds, uncovering hidden patterns and insights that would take you ages to find manually. Whether you're running an online store, investing in stocks, or just trying to optimize your business, data analysis is your secret weapon. Next up, we're tackling the world of content creation, and let me tell you, AI is a game changer in this space. With AI-powered content generators, you can automate the entire process, freeing up your time and energy to focus on other aspects of your business. We're talking about generating high-quality articles, engaging social media posts, compelling video scripts, you name it, AI can handle it. So, ditch writer's block and let AI become your personal content creation powerhouse. Now let's talk marketing. Reaching the right audience with the right message is crucial, and that's where AI comes in. AI creates laser-focused strategies targeting your ideal customers. From analyzing behavior to predicting trends, AI optimizes your campaigns. It's like having marketing gurus working for you 24/7. Chapter 4. The AI Assistant: Automating Your Way to Customer Happiness. Dealing with customer inquiries can be time-consuming and, let's be honest, sometimes a little tedious. But what if you could automate the entire process while still providing top-notch customer service? Enter AI chatbots. These intelligent virtual assistants can handle a wide range of customer interactions, from answering frequently asked questions to resolving simple issues, all without human intervention. Chapter 5. The Recommendation Engine: Selling More with AI's Helping Hand. Ever wonder how online retailers know what you want before you search? The answer is AI-powered product recommendations. These algorithms analyze your browsing and purchase history to suggest products. Implementing AI-driven engines can increase sales and boost customer loyalty. Chapter 6. Supply Chain Superpowers: Optimizing for Efficiency and Profit. Behind every successful product or service is a well-oiled supply chain, and AI is transforming this critical aspect of business like never before. Imagine predicting demand with incredible accuracy, ensuring you always have the right amount of inventory on hand, without the risk of overstocking or running out. This translates to increased efficiency, higher profits, and a significant competitive advantage. Chapter 7. The AI Guardian: Protecting Your Business from Cyber Threats. In today's digital landscape, cybersecurity is more important than ever, and AI is becoming an indispensable tool in the fight against cybercrime. Traditional security methods often struggle to keep up with the ever-evolving tactics of hackers, but AI brings a whole new level of protection to the table. From preventing data breaches to safeguarding your sensitive information, AI is your 24/7 cybersecurity watchdog. Chapter 8. The User Experience Whisperer: Crafting engaging and effective interactions. In the digital world, user experience is king, and AI is revolutionizing customer interactions. AI creates personalized experiences catering to individual needs and preferences. Imagine a website adapting to your habits, guiding you seamlessly. Leverage AI to create visually appealing, engaging, and effective digital platforms. Chapter 9. The future is now: Predictive Maintenance with AI. AI helps us predict and prevent problems before they occur. Know when machinery will fail, schedule maintenance proactively, and avoid downtime. AI analyzes sensor data, identifies patterns, and predicts failures, optimizing maintenance schedules and reducing costs. Outrow level up your income with the power of AI. So, there you have it, 9 powerful ways you can leverage the power of AI to boost your income and take your business to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned entrepreneur, there's an AI solution out there for you. So, Don't be afraid to experiment, explore the possibilities, and see how AI can help you achieve your goals.